8 people.
Like hata hakuna any remaining.
Kana ajali. Hapo tukapoteza maisha ya watu karibu 8. Ikiwa na watu wazima 4 na watoto 4. Alafu kwa hiyo hali ya kudhibiti moto, zimamoto kweli imefika. Lakini muda ambao amefika tayari moto ulikuwa shaenea zaidi.
Kuna family moja walikuwa wako kwa nyumba wote, mama na ndugu yake na watoto 2 waliingua ndani ya nyumba.
Hatuna ile manufaa ya kwenda kulipa manyumba zile wanasema affordable houses. Sisi tunaishi kwa hizi nyumba zile za kawaida. Lakini naomba tu serikali tafadhali, kama ambulance kama nini hiyo zimamoto ikuwe tu hapa tu kwa kiwanja in case of anything.
Oh, the early morning we had a fire which erupted in Kibera. And this fire, it's unfortunate, it has costed the life of 8 innocent Kenyans. But I'm being informed the building where fire erupted from is a storied building, the Gorofa, made of mbao and timber and mabati. Once it started, the other people who are not in safe areas, automatically they were supposed to lose their life. It is just the same scenario like the one which happened in Madare, where we lost life. It is very unfortunate. The investigations we have been conducting in regards to the previous fires, basically they have been illegal connections. We normally discourage illegal connections. Others, it revealed there were some persons who lit the musuma. They left it just close to their beds. Then they caught fire. So even now there's another one taking place in Mukuru. I've been coordinating. Officers are there trying to neutralize that situation so that it cannot go further. The Kibera one, we have got 8 lives lost and 7 are in hospital undergoing treatment with serious burns.